to another Forex Signal with your boy David. So we are looking at gold on this one, XAUUSD 30 minutes chart, and what I'm looking at is this point. As you can see, I just had the crossover on the RSI, and that's what I'm going to be using to monitor this trade. If you check out yesterday, I had two trades which I'm yet to close because obviously I'm monitoring it with my account. I'm yet to close, so I expect this trade to come somewhere to this point, like I said in previous videos. So I'm looking at this line for my first take profit and somewhere around here for my second take profit. As you can see, this is what we have here, so you can enter a buy there, okay, and you can also enter a new buy around this point. So you have to buy trade for gold. This is just the gold. I also have a trade. I will put them in one video. Okay, I'll put them in one video. So I have for, let me get all these markers out. I also have for EURUSD. This is my EURUSD trade. As you can see, we had the oversold area right here. We had that cross also almost at the same point, and now if you had entered at this point, it would have retraced back. So I'm looking at it to bounce back and go upwards. So if that's something you want to do, then make sure you are entering at this point, and your first take profit should be somewhere around here, and then aiming for your second take profits also around here. This is for EURUSD, so ensure you are looking at this trade critically. Let's go to Great British Pounds USD, and I would show you what I'm looking at on that one also. So this is 3 trades in one. Once again, for euro, for GBPUSD, I don't know why I found it hard to always pronounce that. GBPUSD, I'm looking at this also. I had my cross here, right? I had my cross. So I'm looking for an entry, which as you can see, I have a buy here already. And I'm looking to take my first take profit around this mark. All right, and my second take profit should be around this mark here for TP2. So make sure you are in this trade and monitoring it. Usually I'll take half the profit at this 50% mark you see here, and I'll take my full take profit when the RSI line hits the 80%. So these are things you need to watch out for. I hope you're enjoying this so far, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay blessed.